Imagine this. You're standing on Earth closer to the moon than anyone else, without leaving the ground. No, it's not Mount Everest. Instead, it's a mountain in one of the most extraordinary countries in the world, Ecuador. Nestled on the equator, this small South American nation defies expectations with its incredible geography, mind-bending physics, and unique wildlife. Let's explore deep into the science, culture, and adventures Ecuador offers. Why Ecuador is physics heaven? Ecuador sits on the equator, the imaginary line dividing the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. But this isn't just a geographical marker, it's where physics gets interesting. Weight loss cheat code: gravity is slightly weaker at the equator due to the Earth's shape, a slightly squashed sphere. The centrifugal force caused by the planet's rotation counteracts gravity here, making you weigh a little less. So, stepping into Ecuador isn't just a trip, it's a science experiment. No spin, no shadow. Ever seen water drain straight down without spinning? At certain spots along the equator, this phenomenon occurs because the Coriolis effect is negligible. At noon, shadows completely vanish. Stand in the right place, and it feels like the laws of physics have been rewritten. Mount Chimborazo, the closest point to the moon, move over Mount Everest. The real closest point to the moon is Ecuador's Mount Chimborazo. Here's how. The Earth isn't a perfect sphere, it bulges at the equator. This bulge makes the Earth's diameter at the equator about 21 kilometers, 13 miles, larger than at the poles. While Chimborazo's peak is 6,268 meters, 20,564 feet above sea level, lower than Everest, it's over 2,000 meters, 6,561 feet, farther from the Earth's center, making it the closest place on Earth to the moon. Standing atop Chimborazo means you're physically closer to space than anywhere else on the planet. The challenges of living in the clouds. Ecuador isn't just mountains, it's home to Quito, the second highest capital in the world, sitting at an altitude of 2,850 meters, or 9,350 feet. While the views are breathtaking, life here comes with its quirks: less oxygen. Breathing at such a high altitude is no easy feat. Visitors often find themselves short of breath, even during light activities. Sunburns. With thinner air and less atmosphere to filter UV rays, the sun's intensity is no joke. Sunscreen is an absolute must. Tech struggles. The altitude affects technology too. Batteries drain faster and cars operate less efficiently due to reduced oxygen levels. Everyday tasks become a bit more challenging when you're this high up. The Galapagos Islands. Nature's time capsule. From the heights of Chimborazo to the middle of the Pacific, Ecuador's Galapagos Islands are a world of their own. Biodiversity paradise. The Galapagos are home to over 9,000 unique species, including the world's largest tortoises, swimming marine iguanas, and even penguins living near the equator. These islands inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution and remain a living laboratory of natural wonders. First UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1978, the Galapagos earned this title for their unmatched ecological importance. Why you should visit Ecuador. Ecuador isn't just a destination, it's an experience. From its equatorial quirks to its towering peaks and pristine islands, the country offers a unique blend of science, adventure, and culture. Whether you're marveling at the physics of the equator, hiking Chimborazo, or exploring the Galapagos, Ecuador will leave you in awe. Your turn experience Ecuador yourself. What fascinates you most about Ecuador, the equator's bizarre physics, Chimborazo's lunar connection, or the untouched beauty of the Galapagos? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready for an adventure, join us as we explore Ecuador together. Click the link in the description to sign up for an unforgettable journey. Let's make memories in one of the most extraordinary places on Earth.